I am so excited to open my babies. I've been waiting for each of them to arrive. So I have a small collection over here. So let's just get straight into it. This is Bratz and MyScene. I never ever used to like MyScene. I think they came out at the same time or just after Bratz, so it was Mattel's response to like try and win back some power in the doll scene, but I never was into it. I didn't really care for them, but as I started to collect dolls, I started to see MyScene, and honestly they're at a much higher price point than I should be buying. But let me tell you, they are the influencers of the doll scene. Like, the glamour, the accessories. I feel like Bratz do a very particular thing, but there's just something about MyScene. Like, you could take a picture of a MyScene doll and they could be an Instagram baddie. Like, there's something really like elegant about them, but they're also like really sexy, which I live for. Like, I love Bratz, and Bratz in their own way are baddies too, but they feel a bit younger. There's something about the MyScene dolls that they just, I don't know, they're it. I feel inspired. I'm like, when I'm searching for MyScene dolls, I'm literally like, whew. Yeah, so that, honestly, I don't know. My favourite doll is Noolee, and every now and then I go on eBay and I look for her, and then cry because she's so high priced. I don't think I'll ever get a box to MyScene. I don't know. I did bid on a few, but they went out of my budget, so I didn't proceed with them. I don't know which one is which. We've got one Bratz doll too, so I'm not really sure which one is which, but we have Masquerade Madness and we have Street Style, and they're both Noolee. So we'll get a surprise about who is who. But when I first started to look into purchasing Noolee, I saw the Street Style doll, and I've honestly, aside from like the bling lines, which are so expensive, I've never seen a doll so pretty. I was shook. I think it's because of the colour. I just think it goes so well with her. I don't know. I was just duped, guys. This is interesting. So they put her in something. Okay. I don't know. They put her in a little ball. Okay. That's cute. I wasn't expecting that. I think this might be Masquerade Madness. I just get a feeling. Ooh. This box is cute. It's like pink inside. Okay. There's some other clothes in here that I don't know if they've given me some extra jewelry or if this all came with Noolee. But I don't think this is... This looks like the Jamaica line. I think the seller just gave me some extra clothes. Can anyone help me out? I'll definitely do some research. But that doesn't look like the Street Style line. This is sickening. Oh my god, I can't wait to try that one. So that's just, I think they just gave me some extra MyScene clothes that they had in there. Because this is the... Oops. These are her little clip-ins. which I love so much, and they're in good condition still, so we have to put those in. And then these tiny little blue shoes. So my first MyScene doll. Noolee, bitch. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see her. And I've never held a MyScene doll. She's packaged really, really well. Oh my god. She has a belly piercing. Wow, they're so much bigger than I thought. I don't know what I was expecting. Oh my god, she's tatted. Oh, I just really pulled her top off. Oh. Guys, this is the beginning. Look at Noolee. Look at her lips. Her tattoo. Her belly piercing. Her pants. And her shoes are okay. Oh my god. I think as well with these dolls, they have like tiny feet. Yeah. It's so funny. So she can wear like these big chunky shoes, or she can wear those those little blue shoes. Oh my god. Noolee, she's bad. She's actually fire. Oh my god. This is the one MyScene doll that I like wanted. I saw her and I was like, I need her. And you can clip in her little things, but they're not, I think they're more for you. But I have seen pictures of her wearing them, but I would have to cut it. This is the beginning. I need to get a doll stand for her because she's not gonna stand up. So, oh my god. And she's got so many earrings to change as well. I've got that whole packet. I'm not gonna have time to open up the other Noolee because I'm taking too long. Oh, this is just... I was excited for her, but I don't know, I didn't expect her to be this size. I guess, I think they're a bit bigger than Barbie. I don't have a Barbie around. I don't have a Barbie accessible right now. That would be good because I can I could compare them. Okay, let's do a size comparison. So we have a Noolee. We have Iris Klops. I know I did her hair. It's really bad. Okay, so this is a Monster High and this is a MyScene. So she's taller. She's also built a bit bigger. This is what I mean, they just look a bit more mature. She looks like 20, mid-20s. My Monster High looks really, really skinny. She's got a bit of curve, but she's still really slim, and then it just goes so skinny down here. And then we've got, let's get Chloe who fell. This Chloe has the wrong clothes. This is Dynamite Chloe, but she's got the wrong clothes, so we're trying to find her Dynamite outfit. So we have the shortest, but Bratz are just so uniquely shaped anyway. But look at their lips. Oh my god, please just murder me, murder me, murder me. And I need a Barbie. I've got this raggedy Barbie from my childhood. And she's been on holiday, she's been around the world. She was very well loved, and my cat used to eat her hands, so let's just pretend that that's not there. So this is a MyScene and this is a Barbie. It's pretty tight. I would just say overall she's just built a bit bigger. Like her head and her shoulders are broader. Ah, she looks so bad. But this is just body comparison. I'd say this area is really similar, but there is something different. There's a different feel to her as well. But that's just a random comparison. It's kind of exciting as this is my first doll, so to hold them up next to each other is pretty cool. But she looks like such a baddie, oh my god. But we need a doll stand for Noolee ASAP. I don't know how much time I've got left. I was feeling really down recently and buying dolls, it just, I don't know, it's my retail therapy. If I feel down, I'm on eBay, scrolling till I find something good. But these were unmissable, especially her. I just get such a fear of missing out if I see an auction. Because the thing is, I was just gonna get her because she was like 25, I think. I'll put it. And I just bought the Bratz Really Rock, and I was like, that should be enough. I haven't really bought any dolls for a while, like I don't want to go crazy. When I used to buy Monster High, I would buy like tons at once, so I was trying to pace myself, but I just couldn't miss these two auctions together. Especially with MyScene, they come up so rarely. Like sometimes you'll find tons online, and then other times there'll be barely anything. So I've got so much mess here now. This is the Masquerade Madness. I know her hair's meant to be like this, but I think I might boil it. I don't know if it recorded that bit. But this is Noolee. She's got eyelashes. This fit is crazy. Oh my gosh. She's so beautiful. She's got like crinkly hair. Really twinning. Let's quickly go through her outfits because I gotta go. So she's got these boots which I'll change her into because I hate those sandal type things. She's got an outfit change. It says rock and roll and a little skirt. Hairbrush and this like headset because she is a pop queen. That is fire. That is fire. Yes. Okay. And this is her little handbag. And inside her handbag she's got tiny makeup. Bracelet and something else. I'm just like, what have I done now that I have bought these girls? What have I done? This is the beginning of the end, guys. This is the beginning of the end. Oh my god. The eyes though. The eyes. Oh fuck my life. I'm gonna go on eBay again now. My girl's arrived and I'm having kittens over it. Seriously, she has a tattoo. She's got a fucking belly piercing. She has real eyelashes. I'm just actually gagged. MyScene, they're just a different level, like, ah! And the thing I love is that they look so grown compared to like everyone else who looks kind of, her body's just built bigger, like she's got broader shoulders. She just looks like that bitch. Ah! I'm so gagged. And she came with so many clothes. I just, oh my god. So this is an extra Bratz unboxing. Stay tuned. Pick it up. Oh no. So this is a Bratz doll. And she's got all of her bits. So, is that it? I have the jade. I think it's Girls Rock. Girls Really Rock. We've got the jade. Girls Really Rock. I honestly bought her because of this outfit. And because she looks just like Emily Autumn. And that just sold me. I was like, she is mine. She's got little booties. And a mic stand? I'm not sure. So this is for her keyboard, which is pink. She's just Emily to a T. I just had to. So cute. It's gonna look so good to display. I think a mic stand and these sick little pants. Oh my god. So let's get her. And she has perfect hair, which is rare on eBay, especially for a used doll. Usually I have to I say that and then she didn't look that perfect. Oh, she's got some sellotape in her hair. Oh my god. Do you know what? I thought that the Pirate line Treasures was my favorite, but I need to redo her buns, but here we go. Oh, look at her. Look at the detail. And look at her striped stockings like Emily. And she's got these cute little boots. But when I do her buns, oh, she's gonna be perfect. And when we set her up, whoops. She's so cute. I love her. Oh my god, she's gonna look so good with Roxy. Oh, sorry, Chloe. I'll just put her down. Look at these two bad bitches. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! I need to get rid of, I hate Roxy's shoes. So let's do that ASAP. She can borrow Jade. This is such a disaster. She can borrow Jade's boots. I hate, even when I was little, I hated the Bratz sandals. That's so much better. Oh my god. Oh my god. I never had this line when I was little. I had mainly like the early lines, like Funk Out. Oh. And Slumber Party. My first doll was Funk Out Jade. And Funk Out Dana, I think I got them at the same time. Look at these angels. Oh my god. She looks so much better with these boots. But this is meant to be a MyScene video, so let's continue. Oh, she looks so good. Oh my god, Jade. She broke my heart. Next. I'm trying to do this before work. Oh yeah, it is a mic stand. Here's the mic. I just found it. That's so cute. Ah.